Welcome to NoCoHoL. We built a half car to simulate a real-life and enclosed environment of a car. There are 3 parts to NoCoHoL, which are the main control unit, node, and ignition unit. The main control unit is made up of a step motor, wireless module, Arduino, battery, and relay. We made a simple push-start ignition button along with a sensor to detect the alcohol concentration level of the driver. Other than that, we include a node that communicates wirelessly with the main control unit. Here shows a situation whereby a completely sober driver enters the car and tries to ignite the car engine. The engine is then able to start and the sober driver is free to drive away. To simulate a drunk person, we used several droplets of wine that we obtained from our college's culinary department, to which this wine contains a 40% level of alcohol. When a drunk driver tries to start the car, the sensors will detect an unusual level of alcohol concentration, to which the warning lights will start blinking and the buzzer will start ringing. Ultimately, the drunk driver cannot start the car as the engine doesn't start. This in return does not cause any road accidents. As an overview, NoCoHoL prevents drunk drivers from driving their car by disabling the ignition at the get-go.
Fact that the device that you guys are looking at is a passive one. So I think it's worthwhile looking at it. I think the more you can show the commercial viability of it, it'll be really good for the project. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Mr. Roger.
So yesterday, there was a miscommunication between me and the other members. We ordered more than we need. Actually cost a lot to buy, so our budget just go through the roof.
One thing good to document on your project also is your project risk. At least later on when you do encounter it, straight away you know what to do.
Can you see this technology being implemented into cars of the future?
Yeah, to be honest, I think this is a good idea. This idea is also interesting if they can apply into the government policy. So every vehicle must to have this like this. Like I mentioned just now, like safety belt. It's most important is we try to reduce kind of different multiple or variety of solution. What we can do improvement is how we can detect the level of the consuming. I think that's it. I really wish you guys can explore more about this concept, because even people looking for the same solution but we didn't see it. Please make it happen. Just make it happen.
Good morning, Mr. Tanju.
Hello, hi, good morning.
Do you think Tanju will be implemented into the cars of the future?
Why not? The cases of drunk drivers, accident due to the drunk drivers, everything is keep rising every year. We give solutions to all the automotive industry players out there. We look forward to have a good positive feedback from the industry as well.
Good afternoon. So I think the hardest part for our project is plans that never happen. We started out with a very good plan and a very clear head and think that the whole project will run as smoothly as possible. But that is not the case.
Hello, good morning. Okay, so the hardest thing in this project was us having to improvise. Because we haven't designed anything for use in real life before, we completely forgot about tolerance. So when it came to actually build, after cutting, we had to come up with different decisions for ways to attach the parts. Yeah, it was unforeseen.
For me, it was definitely recording the voiceovers because it took a while for me to match my speech flow to the flow of the video.
As a leader, I would like to express my gratitude for all the people that help us along. I want to thank our maintenance team for lending us their drill for us to use, and our lecturers for giving us advice, and our mentor, Mr. Roger.
You guys come a long way so well done
Lastly, let's not forget to thank Shell for giving us this opportunity. So to conclude the project, we spent a total of 1,036 ringgit and 48 cents.
If you are given the chance, would you join this competition again?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Definitely.
Okay.